In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a meeting using Microsoft Teams. Whether you're coordinating a team catch-up or planning a large presentation, knowing how to effectively schedule your meetings is essential. Let's dive into it. First, we need to start by navigating to the main Microsoft Teams website. This is your hub for everything related to team communication and collaboration, including video calls, chats, and of course, scheduling meetings. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to locate the sign-in option, which is usually featured prominently. Click on it to access your account quickly. Now that you're signed in, the next step is to find the calendar. The calendar is where all the magic happens. It's where you'll set up new meetings and see any meetings you've already scheduled. You'll typically find it on the left-hand sidebar. Click on Calendar to open it, and you'll be ready to start scheduling. With the calendar open, you can now pick the date for your meeting. If you need a broader perspective, use the monthly view. If you're looking for more detailed scheduling, switch to the weekly or daily view. Once you've selected the date, click on it to begin setting up your meeting. Next, you'll need to enter the title of your meeting. Make sure the title is clear and descriptive so your participants immediately understand the purpose without needing to open the full meeting details. A good title can make a big difference in whether someone joins your meeting prepared or not. After adding the title, it's time to invite attendees. Look for the People or Invite section. This is where you'll enter the names or email addresses of the people you wish to invite. Microsoft Teams often suggests contacts based on your previous interactions, which can make adding people even quicker. Once you've added everyone you want to invite, you can click on Everyone to ensure all necessary team members and stakeholders are included in the meeting. This step ensures that no one who needs to be there is left out. The next crucial step is saving your meeting details. You'll typically find the Save button near the top of your window. Once you save, the meeting will appear on your calendar and notify your invitees. Finally, once everything is saved, Microsoft Teams allows you to copy the meeting link. This link can be shared however you prefer, whether through email, a chat message, or any other communication platform. Sharing the link ensures everyone knows exactly how to join the meeting. And there you have it. You've successfully scheduled a meeting in Microsoft Teams. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. If you think this video is helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.